Are you looking for a fantastic energy treat that also is great for your milk supply? Go no further. You found it. We are making Lactation Energy Bites right here, right now. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby. That's Emery. That's Aaliyah. And this is Zeta. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Old-fashioned rolled oats, creamy peanut butter, honey, mini chocolate chips, flax meal, brewer's yeast, and your favorite protein powder. So not only is this recipe gluten-free and dairy-free, you can also make it vegan, and it is super easy. You don't have to bake anything. So let's get right to it. It is easier to do it in a stand mixer, but if you have a hand mixer, that works too. So we're going to start with adding everything except for the chocolate chips into this mixing bowl and mixing it all up. So oats are a fantastic milk supply booster, one of the best. If you don't have time to whip these together and you need to boost your supply fast, cook yourself a bowl of oatmeal. It works really well. Another fabulous milk supply booster, flax. Flax seeds, flax meal. We've got some ground up flax seed here. We're gonna add that. Not only is Brewers yeast a milk supply booster, it is also chock full of vitamins and nutrients that help with your milk, making it super extra healthy for baby. Now, this is a little strong flavored, so if you don't like the taste of the brewer's yeast, you can skip it, but it does really help with the supply, production, and all that. As far as protein powder goes, this is optional, but it's great because you can't always get a full meal, and it's nice to have a little extra protein in your snacks. Now this one is a vegan plant-based protein powder. If your baby is dairy intolerant, make sure you grab a plant-based one, and sometimes even those are a little bit harsh on baby's stomach, so just keep that in mind when you make these. If you're a vegan and you want to make these, you can easily swap out the honey for maple syrup or agave, and it will work beautifully. Last up, peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, you can also swap this out for almond butter. It will work just as well. Now we're just gonna mix this up until it all comes together into like a dough consistency, and then add our chocolate chips and stir it till they're all combined. To it. These are done. Now make sure you store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and that's all you have. They're good up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Make sure you eat them before then, which it won't be hard because they're delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might also really like these Lactation brownies over here. Go check them out. They're delicious and also a super easy recipe. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below because we want to hear from you, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one!